Like this video and subscribe to our channel. A, as in the beginning of avocet. B, as in the beginning of baboon. C, as in the beginning of camel. D, as in the beginning of dolphin. E, as in the beginning of elephant. F, as in the beginning of ferret. G, as in the beginning of gorilla. H, as in the beginning of hedgehog. I, as in the beginning of iguana. J, as in the beginning of jellyfish. K, as in the beginning of kangaroo. L, as in the beginning of lemur. M, as in the beginning of moose. N, as in the beginning of newt. O, as in the beginning of otter. P, as in the beginning of penguin. Q, as in the beginning of quail. R, as in the beginning of raccoon. S, as in the beginning of seal. T, as in the beginning of tiger. U, as in the beginning of upland in upland sandpiper. V, as in the beginning of viper. W, as in the beginning of warthog. X, as in the ending of fox. Y, as in the beginning of yak. Z, as in the beginning of zebra. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the description box below for a link to our free resources and our parent-friendly literacy hub.